Is your Wix website's text a jumbled mess on mobile, frustrating your visitors? Don't let text overlap ruin your mobile experience. Let's dive into how to fix it. First, open your Wix editor and switch to the mobile view. You'll see a mobile phone icon to toggle between desktop and mobile. Here, we've identified a text box causing overlap. To start, we need to adjust the size of this text box. Click and drag the handles on the sides of the text box to make it wider or narrower. As you expand the text box, you'll notice the text begins to flow more freely, reducing the overlap. Experiment with the width until all the text fits comfortably within the box without spilling over. If resizing alone doesn't solve the problem, let's look at the font size. Select the text box and then navigate to the text settings. You can reduce the font size slightly to allow more text to fit within the allocated space. A minor adjustment here can make a big difference in preventing overlap and improving readability. Aim for a size that's still easy to read on a small screen. Another crucial element is spacing within the text settings. You'll find options for line height and paragraph spacing. Increasing these slightly can give your text more breathing room. By increasing the line height, you create more vertical space between lines of text, which can prevent them from bumping into each other. Finally, review the entire mobile page. Adjust other text boxes and elements as needed, ensuring no other text is overlapping. Click Save and preview your mobile site to see the improved readability and user experience. There you have it. Why you're a perfectly aligned Wix mobile website, ensuring your message shines through.